To become an Amazon Virtual Assistant (VA), follow these steps. 1. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's services. Start by learning about Amazon's various services, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Amazon Marketplace, and Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. This will help you understand the types of tasks and projects that VAs typically work on. 2. Research VA roles. Look for job listings and descriptions for VA roles on Amazon's website or third-party job boards. This will give you an idea of the skills and qualifications required for these positions. Number 3. Build your skills. Based on the job descriptions you've researched, identify the skills and tools you need to develop to become a successful VA. Some common skills include proficiency in Microsoft Office, experience with AWS, and knowledge of e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Magento. Create a portfolio. Build a portfolio of your work that showcases your skills and experience. This can include examples of projects you've completed, testimonials from satisfied clients, and certifications or training courses you've completed. Apply for VA roles. Once you feel confident in your skills and have a strong portfolio, start applying for VA roles on Amazon's website or through third-party job boards. Be sure to tailor your application and cover letter to the specific role you're applying for. 6. Network. Connect with other VAs and industry professionals on LinkedIn or other networking platforms to learn about job opportunities, best practices, and trends in the industry. This can also help you build relationships that may lead to future job opportunities. 7. Continuously learn. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the VA industry by attending webinars, conferences, or workshops. This will help you stay competitive in the market and provide value to your clients. As an Amazon Virtual Assistant, there are several tips and tricks that can help you maximize your productivity and efficiency. Here are a few secret tips to get you started. 1. Utilize keyboard shortcuts. Amazon's Virtual Central (VC) platform has a variety of keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and effort. For example, pressing Ctrl-Shift-K will create a new task, while Ctrl-Shift-C will copy the selected text. 2. Customize your dashboard. You can customize your VC dashboard to display the information that is most important to you. To do this, click on the Customize Dashboard button in the top right corner of the screen, and then drag and drop the widgets you want to see into your preferred layout. 3. Use the Quick Actions menu. The Quick Actions menu, which can be accessed by clicking on the 3 dots in the top right corner of a task or message, contains a variety of useful options, such as adding notes, assigning tasks to other team members, and setting reminders. 4. Leverage Amazon's AI-powered tools. The Amazon's VC platform includes several AI-powered tools that can help you streamline your workflow. For example, the Smart Inbox feature uses machine learning algorithms to prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance, while the Smart Reply feature suggests automated responses to common customer inquiries. 5. Collaborate with your team. As an Amazon Virtual Assistant, you will be working as part of a larger team. Make sure to communicate regularly with your team members and share best practices and tips for improving efficiency and productivity. By following these tips, you can become a more effective and efficient Amazon Virtual Assistant, delivering high-quality customer service while maximizing your productivity and efficiency.